Are you looking at the Graco Forever car seat, the Extend-to-Fit DLX in particular? Well, I have good news. I've done a full review of that car seat. It's amazing. It goes rear facing to 50 pounds. I just am so excited about it. I just did a full review with my friends over at GoodBuy Gear. It is the marketplace for slightly used secondhand and open box car seats. So enjoy my full review of the Graco Forever DLX Extend-to-Fit car seat. All of our car seats go through a rigorous 30-point inspection so you can ensure that your car seat is safe even though it may be secondhand. Okay, so let's go into the review. There are two white mechanisms on the bottom. There's the extension panel and the recline. So you can recline this down, and you can see this is in the recline position. There are all these different levels of recline that you can choose from depending on the age of your child, and you can recline it really, really easily. But there's also this extend panel. See that? So that is going to enable you to have your child rear facing and comfortable longer. This is an anti-rebound bar. So this is going to go up against your back seat, and it's going to create more stabilization for your car seat. So if you're, God forbid, in a crash, it's in the rear facing position, it's going to go, God forbid, you'll be in a crash, boom, and it's going to recoil. But this anti-rebound bar is going to stop it from recoiling back and keep it more secure and safe. And having your child having this extension is going to keep your child way more comfortable as well, which is really, really cool and unique to this product. And you just squeeze it in and you pop it back in and you are good to go. When you go in the forward-facing position, you're going to remove the anti-rebound bar by pushing these two white buttons. But then what you're going to be able to do is you are going to be able to use this in a forward-facing position. Again, this is rear-facing to 50 pounds. We want to keep your child rear-facing in this to the maximum weight and height limit, just so your child can be rear-facing because it's the safest way to ride. But then when your child goes in the forward-facing position, you'll have them in this harness seat. And then as they get bigger, this actually turns into a booster seat. Look how big this car seat gets. It's pretty amazing. You can use this with a seatbelt up to 100 pounds. So you should check the car seat laws in your state because you want your kid in a booster seat also until the law requires, but really as long as possible, because even though seatbelts are super safe, when you have your child in a booster seat, your child is not only secured by the seatbelt, but the head and shoulders and hips are also protected by the side impact protection, which this has as well. If you're interested in a Graco Extend-to-Fit, the DLX variety, go check out GoodBuy Gear, and you may be able to scoop one up for yourself at a really great price. If you like this video, please give us a like. And if you want to see more videos like these, please subscribe to our channel today. I'll see you at another video.